Alright, so I am going to ShinOkubo today, so I guess you can follow me along for like a day in my life video, or no, I don't know, but we're going there to try this thing called cheese takkarubi. And basically it's like Korean chicken that you dip in a fondue full of cheese. So I'm really excited to try it. It's so crowded everywhere I go, so it's really hard to find a place that doesn't have a line that is going to make me wait forever. Apparently the real cheese takkalbi you can't get if you're alone. You have to get it with at least 2 people. But at this place, it seems like you can get takkalbi and a cheese fondue on the side. The thing I love about getting Korean food in Japan is that no matter what you order, you don't have to worry because it won't be too spicy. Okay, so now I'm in the back streets of Omotesando and I'm on the search for a coffee shop called Latest or Latest. I don't know how to say it. But it's supposed to be really good and I just want to find a place to work that isn't crowded, so hopefully. Well, actually, I'm in Harajuku right now, and I just got out of the Design Festa Art Museum. The building itself was really neat. It looked like an old house that they just kind of renovated, and there's a cafe in the back. Supposedly the back streets of Harajuku are the better ones, as opposed to the main street where it's always crowded. So yeah. Pulled off the side of the street by this nice lady, and she was talking to me, asking where I was coming from, and she had her own art gallery, and it was so much better than the other one that I just come from, so I ended up walking out with 2 postcards. I don't know why, because I have no one to send them to. I'm back in Omotesando now. I found out yesterday why it was so crowded, and it's because it was Day of the Ocean. It was everyone and their mother at ShinOkubo. Right now I'm going to go clothes shopping at a place called Sense of Place. Okay, so I'm in Shibuya Station right now. I swear to God, every time I'm at the station, I always get lost. The signs are never marked the right way. There's just vague arrows pointing you in a general direction, so I came out on the opposite side of the station. So I just got back home. Overall, shopping was a success because the entire store was on sale, so I came out with 2 new things. And then I was sitting at a cafe for a little bit working, and then I actually got called into work, so I had to go into work. So I was never able to end the video. I think I'm gonna end it here. I've been trying to talk to the camera more because I have no friends in Tokyo, and what else is there to do besides talk to a camera? So overall, it's fine, except it's a little weird when there's other Americans near me and they know what I'm saying. Like, it's a little bit easier to talk to a camera if I know that the people around me don't know what I'm saying, but they do, so it's weird. But other than that, it's going good. I hope you like it. Bye.